Hi there, Mark Cunningham here, and in this video we're going to take a look at two ways that you can fix your bank reconciliation errors in Xero if you've made a mistake, and they are unreconcile and remove and redo. So if you go into your business bank account, we'll just go over to the account transactions tab, and we can see all of our transactions here in the general ledger that have been reconciled. And what we'll do is we'll pick one to work on, and we'll do this eBank DEP for $1,000 on the 5th of November. So we can see there that it's been reconciled. So that's the general ledger transaction. If we go to bank statements and we just go and find it. Okay, there it is there, 5th of November, $1,000. So that's been reconciled over here as well. So that's where both sides of the transaction are, and they both say they've been reconciled, which is great. So if I go back to account transactions, and we'll just go find it again and click into the transaction. Okay, so what we've got here is that receive money transaction that we created before, and in the options here we've got unreconcile, and we've also got remove and redo. So the first one I'm going to show you is unreconcile, so we'll just click on that. And what we get is this help message here that says that this will remove the link between the imported statement line and the account transaction in Xero, but both the statement line and the account transaction will remain. So it's just removing the link. It's not actually deleting either the bank transaction or the general ledger transaction. So we'll just click on OK. All right, so we'll go back into the business bank account, and we'll go to reconcile, and if we scroll down we should be able to find it. So here it is on the 5th of November, so that's the bank side of it, and that's the general ledger side of it, and you can see that the transactions are still intact and they've been matched again, so they've been unreconciled but they haven't actually been deleted. So that's how the Unreconcile tool works. So what I'll do is I'll reconcile them again by clicking on OK, and then I'll show you how remove and redo works. So if we come over to the bank statement tab and we go into the transaction, you can see we've got a remove and redo button here. So we could have gone in the other way to the account transaction as well and used that same drop down menu that we saw before, but both of those options will do the same thing. So let's click on remove and redo. Okay, so now you can see there it says the account transaction has been removed. So if we scroll down and look at the transactions on the 5th of November, we can't see that $1,000 transaction anymore that we created. So that one has been deleted. And if we go to the bank statement and we scroll down, there it is, the 5th of November. We can see we've got the $1,000 there, and now it's unreconciled. And if we just go and check the reconcile tab, okay, we can see there we've got that amount that's come through in the bank feed, and we no longer have the receive money transaction available because the remove and redo tool deleted the transaction. Okay, so those are the two tools that you can use if you make a mistake. You've got unreconcile, which just unlinks the bank transaction with the general ledger transaction, but it leaves them both intact. Or you can use remove and redo, which unlinks them, but then it goes and deletes the general ledger transaction. So you won't have anything to link to. You'll have to create one all over again. So those are the two ways that you can correct your reconciliation mistakes. You just have to choose which one is right for you. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more free videos, and also check out the links in the description below for our Xero courses. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.